Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you guys how I do my eyebrows. Everybody's always asking me how I do them, and honestly I learned two simple techniques how to do your eyebrows. Very simple. So if you want to learn, please keep on watching. So we're going to start to measure our eyebrows. I love to use this image because it tells me where to begin, where the arch goes, and also where it ends. If your eyebrows are thinner, then this is where you can definitely measure them. So for any of the both techniques, we're always going to brush our eyebrows first. So we're going to start brushing it out with the Anastasia Beverly Hills gel. This color is in ebony, which is almost black. We're going to brush our eyebrows, adding some color. Now we're going to brush it with the spoolie brush. This is the name of this brush. It actually does have a name. So we're going to brush it and we're going to clean it out. Get rid of all those clumps. Now filling it in with your eyeshadow, you're going to fill in those gaps, all those bald spots that you see right there. Make sure your eyeshadow is matte and not shimmery. Now we're going to go ahead and clean it. I don't like to start too close to the eyebrow because I kind of mess up a lot if I do that. So I start more at the bottom and I start working my way up. Now let's clean the top. Same thing, I don't like to start too close, and also I don't clean it all the way to the front. So I only clean the arch because that's where I want more definition. Keep cleaning and blending. And see the difference? It looks very nice and clean. So we're gonna go ahead and go back and give the final touches. So with those simple steps, you have amazing eyebrows. So for the next technique, I will not do a voiceover, so enjoy. So that's it, guys. 2 different ways to do your eyebrows. Very simple. I have learned these techniques and I've been doing them all the time. I've mastered them, but you know, practice makes perfect. If you have thinner eyebrows, just follow your measurements and, you know, line them up, follow my tutorial, and you will be good to go. So if you want more videos, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification and don't forget to like this video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.